everyone, this is Mirna Jose. Today we're going to be creating gorgeous hair. If you want to see how it's done, come follow me to the studio.
We'll be using heat protection spray, hairspray, and the Jetset Hot Roller. Gently mist heat protection spray all over your hair. What I really love about the Jetset is that each roller only takes 8 seconds to heat up. For more volume, use larger rollers for the top and crown of your head. Start with the top of your head and work down the center and sides. Partition your hair into sections and make sure that the strand isn't wider than the width of the roller. Start in the middle of the strand, wrap the top half, then roll the rest towards your scalp. Secure with a wire clip, butterfly clip, or for a stronger hold, try using both. Now let's finish the rest of your head. If you got a lot of hair, separate your hair into smaller strands and use additional rollers to get more definition. When the color dot turns red, the rollers are cool enough to be taken out. To take the rollers out, hold the end and gently unwind the roller. Let hair cool and set for a longer lasting curl. Working from the scalp outwards, use your hands or brush to style your hair. Finish with a lightweight hairspray and then you're ready to go out. For a variation of this classic look, take a few strands and form an elegant sweep. Then pin it back with a barrette, fresh flowers, or a comb just like we did here.